double crochet, we start by yarning over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. We now have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops, and now there's just 2 loops left on our hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Keep doing that as many times as you need. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's all it takes to make a double crochet.